Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the mirror case for your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now this is a clear case, so if you are in the market to look for a new case and especially a clear case, then you might want to consider Miracase. It is a very clear case, very sturdy and quite strong for your Galaxy S20 Ultra. So let's take a look how the case can fit onto your Galaxy S20 Ultra. So here it is. I'm just going to place it on to the phone right here and then pops it in, and let's see how well it fits onto the case. Now immediately I can see there is a tiny bit of an issues with the camera. You can see here the camera kind of pops out at the top here. This means that if I place the camera on the table, there is a slight chance that the camera is going to get scratches, because the cutout here is not high enough to protect the cameras. So ideally we really want to have the etching around here to be raised up so that it can protect the camera. So that is one of the flaws I can see immediately. Other than that, I think the case is really nice. It is nice and clear. It's quite comfortable to hold and quite strong and sturdy. Now at the corner here there is small air pockets, so that in the event if if it falls onto the ground, it provides some kind of protections. Over here on each of the corners got an air pockets right here, and also down here on each of the corners there is a small raised bump. So this also allow the phone, when you're placing it on the table, it kind of protects the phone. I guess this raised bump is the purpose of it is to protect the camera. So you can see here this bumps here kind of like flat line up against the camera. So this bump here really line up against the camera, but however, if you got other objects within this area, and when you are sliding the phone's cameras against it, there is still slight chance of it hitting the camera. So it would be nice if we have a bumps around here, around the cameras, to protect it from scratching the camera's surface right here. So that would be ideal. Otherwise, I think we can also get a screen protectors on this part here as well. So you can purchase like a screen protector to place on the camera at the back here. Now in terms of the buttons on the side, when I'm pressing it, it's quite easy and comfortable. I don't have to press it very hard. I can just press it lightly and the button respond to my press. So right here. So that's the button right there. So the volume up and volume down keys is pretty good. At the bottom here, there is a cutout. It seems like the cutout is quite perfect for the loudspeaker. Over here, you got the microphone cutout. You got the USB port cutout here as well. So everything seems to be quite nice and neat. It is nice and clear. So if you want to show off your phone, the back, especially the back, how Samsung has beautifully designed the back of the phone, and it's no good to have a cover that's basically cover everything at the back. So this one here is clear, so it's give you the ability to show off the beautiful design of your phone at the back here. So let's take it out and have a look in terms of the build on this case. So this one here is like a hard plastic at the back, and then on the side here is a rubber. So there is a rubbers around the edge right here, but the back is hard, so it's quite thick as well. If I can show you, if I try to zoom in so you can see, here, I'm just trying to get a focus so you can see how thick it is, and it's quite hard. And when I place it in, it's quite actually easy to put it in and take it out. It's not very difficult to do that. You can easily take it in and out. So it's quite strong, very sturdy. I would say it would give you a good protection if you drop your phone, because the case is quite thick. It's not extremely thick. It's not going to give you like super extra protections, but it's good enough. So there is a fine line between being slim and being able to give you adequate protections on your phone. I mean, if it's too thick, it would give you a very good protections, but then it will be too bulky and doesn't look very nice. So this case here have a balance of between providing a very slim design as well as giving you adequate protections in case you knock your phone against the wall or tables, or if you accidentally drop it. And there it is. So I hope you like the case if you're going to get it. And this is a clear case design for your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video.